Hi friends, welcome to Soni's Kitchen. I know these days everybody has been home, just staying, kids and husbands, so they always are a little hungry with chai, they need a little bit snacks. So I'm going to show you a very simple Mumbai street sandwich. It's a vegetarian, so it's really easy to make and probably ingredients you have in your fridge. So let's get started. I'm using a sourdough bread, but it's up to you. You can use sliced bread or any kind of bread that you have at home. So there's bread. I have some mashed potatoes that are already boiled, some cheese, cilantro, salt, some onions, tomato, black pepper. These are red crushed peppers. This is chutney I made. It's just cilantro and red peppers and green peppers together with salt, but you can use any kind of hot sauce. You don't have to have chutney, but if you have green chutney, that'll give you a really nice taste. So that, and the last thing we have is some butter. So you just take 2 slices. On one slice we put some butter. So we just do a little bit butter on one side. And with that we also take a little bit of chutney, put on the top, just like that, make a little layer so it evens out everywhere. Yeah, just like that. And then comes the potato. So you just mash a bit potato. I'm putting some salt. That's just to taste how much salt your family eats. You can do according to that. So let's mix it together. And in here I'm putting a little black pepper. These are just red crushed black pepper. So a pinch of that. And these are some crushed red peppers. So we'll put some flakes. Again, mix it together. So the sandwich that we made, we'll make a little layer. So I'm going to put some onions that I already have chopped in slices. And some tomatoes. Seems like I need some more tomatoes. So I'm going to cut a little bit more because it's a big slice. But if you have a small slice, you can just put 2 slices. But since it's a little bit bigger, I want to put some more tomatoes. Yeah, that should be good. And then I'll put my potato layer. You can always mix with a little hand to make it even mixture. So then we'll put the crushed potatoes on the top. This is a very filling sandwich because it has potato, so you don't need much appetizer around. This is a meal by itself. Okay, this looks good. And then the last thing we add is some shredded cheese. This is cheddar and mozzarella. You can have mozzarella cheese or just cheddar, just a little shredded cheese. So we'll make a layer of that. Yeah, that looks good. On the other side, again, we'll put a little bit chutney to have a little extra flavor. But if you don't eat too spicy, you don't have to put chutney. You can just put some butter. But since my family likes a little spicy, I'll add a little bit more chutney. And a little bit of cilantro sprinkles. Okay, so we'll just cover this apart. And here I have a little pan. It's a non-stick. We'll just put a little bit of oil. The sandwich is ready to go. And just press it so it's evened up. Just put a little bit oil on the top so when we go around it doesn't get all sticky. This is a very easy sandwich. We always find it when you're going in Mumbai, around the market, you see on the street food. This is very popular and it tastes really good too. You can always add a little bit more. If you want to add chicken, you can always have boneless chicken, but today I'm doing with potatoes. So I think one side we can just change around. Gives a nice little brown flavor in there. For a couple more minutes, it will be done. I'm putting a little bit of oil on the corners so it gives a nice crisp flavor in there. This is a very good sandwich you can eat for breakfast if you're hungry in the morning instead of eating parathas heavy. This is a very light sandwich and it tastes really good too. Or if somebody's coming home in the evening and you don't have much stuff around, just put it together and make a sandwich. They're going to love it. So I think this is almost done. The cheese is starting to melt. So we'll start plating. I'll put a little chutney on the side. It's ready, and we can always cut it into half to see that flavor inside. I usually just go like that. Just put it in a plate, and you can see a nice flavor, little potato and chutney, like a little layer. And when you take it, you dip it in a chutney and you eat it. This is so good, you have to try it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.